Hi everybody, Jamie True here, Head of Business Development at Simpled, and welcome to another Friday's Tip of the Week. This week I'm going to show you how to get through your door if you've allowed the batteries to completely run dead and if you've not got access to your physical mechanical keys. You can do this by plugging a power bank into the lock on the outside, which will give it just enough juice for you to get through the door and change the batteries. Welcome to Friday's Tip of the Week. So here we are back in front of my Simpled Slim Series lock, and I'm going to show you how to use the power bank to get through the door in case your batteries are fully depleted. It's worth noting the batteries last the average user up to a year, and it will inform you on the app when the batteries are running low. However, we do recognise that sometimes things happen. Perhaps it's given you the low battery warning, you've gone away on holiday or for business, you've come back, the batteries are fully depleted, and your mechanical keys perhaps are stuck inside the property. That's not a problem, as you can just use a standard cable plugged into a standard power bank. Many people will already have these to charge their phones and other devices. And what you'll want to do is look at the bottom of the lock and you'll see where you can put your physical key, and this little section next to it is where you can plug the power bank in. And what this will do is give the product just enough juice for you to be able to use your entry code or thumbprint, get in and change the batteries. So now you can see there's nothing to worry about in terms of getting through your door. There are plenty of fail-safes that can be used with our Simpled locks. If you do not have your mechanical keys, the batteries have run out, you can always use the power bank to get through the door and change the batteries. That's it for this Friday's Tip of the Week. We're actually done with our tips of the week now for a little while. We think we've given enough information and the standard tips that we come across on a day-to-day basis with our products. But don't worry, we are going to continue to produce content. I'm actually away on holiday next week, and I'm going to attempt to get a nice video done on one of our fantastic new products whilst in the beautiful city of Amsterdam. So keep an eye out for that one. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.